I chose to come to UEI because in my time at Northeastern, I don't really get to work with hardware a lot, and I thought it would be cool to try out something new and work with more of the hardware side of things rather than just coding all the time.
It offered a good opportunity to be more embedded. In my previous co-op, I was working in low-level C, but this was more low-level C with the hardware, and I got to sort of play that middle road, which I hadn't seen in any of my classes.
Despite being an electrical engineer, I'm very interested in computers, computing, software, that kind of thing. So I saw the job posting for UEI and I thought this would be a good opportunity to kind of branch out and explore that side of my education a little bit more.
So I previously co-opted here last year. I was working as a hardware engineer. I knew coming back I was going to be working as a software engineer and kind of wanted to delve into that realm, and I knew a lot of the people here already, so it kind of just made more sense to come back here than go anywhere else.
So I'm the embedded hardware co-op, and so basically I'm in charge of writing the simulation tests. The system didn't exist before, so I'm basically just kind of developing the system from the ground up. So basically we simulate the layout and then run functional tests, make sure all the features are working, and then I've also helped develop the logic regression system so that whenever an engineer changes the logic, we make sure it doesn't break functionality in some other product.
Right now, I'm writing a test suite for when we take all of our new layers and CPUs to do shock vibe and EMI testing.
My role is software engineering. I've worked on two things primarily during my time here. One is the regression system, which is a testing system we use for all of UEI's products, the different boards and IOMs, and also our builder, which kind of builds our software and gives us a way to package everything together and send it out to customers.
What's the coolest thing you've worked on?
It's got to be the multi-processing that I implemented for the logic and the simulation regression system. It's pretty cool because we're working in parallel with running a bunch of tests through terminal calls all at the same time. It's something I never thought I would be able to do or get to do, so that was pretty cool.
So I've been working on the regression website and showing the results from our nightly regression run. I've been mostly working on adding a database, working in Postgres, and working also on the front end of the website, adding comparison tools, search filter tools, just to make it easier for the engineers here to be able to review the test results every day. I would recommend an internship here. I feel like I know everything about what I'm doing now. I gained so much knowledge about my specific tasks and was able to gain a lot from that. So I would definitely recommend coming here.
So it's very much like you get to learn a lot, you get to experience a lot, and it's super friendly culture. So it's a good introduction into the workforce, I think.
I think that because it's more of a smaller company feel, you actually get to work on things and see that what you're doing is having an impact.
I felt like I've been able to make a lot of impact, and if you're looking for that, then this is a great place to do it. I've also had a good amount of independence and ability to kind of do my own work, come up with my own ideas and solve my own problems. So those are two things I think if you're looking for kind of like independence and ability to make a difference, this would be a great place to start for that.